pera, investment, budget. Sa panahon ngayon,
Importanteng alam natin how to manage our finances.
so that we can be prepared today and for the future.
But did you know na napag-alamang parte tayo ng 30% globally na pinakamababa ang kaalaman sa financial literacy?
Base ito sa data ng Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas o BSP. This highlights the need to spread more knowledge and awareness sa pag-manage ng pera. Lalo na't sa ating bansa, ay maraming individual at pamilya ang limitado ang access sa financial services. Sa video ito, we'll explore the financial systems in the Philippines and in a separate video, discuss practical ways to manage financial risks effectively. Mayroon tayong dalawang financial systems sa Pilipinas, banks and non-bank financial institutions o NBFIs. Kasama sa banking institutions ang mga commercial banks, savings and loan associations, and credit unions. Tumatanggap sila ng deposito mula sa publiko. Nag-o-offer ng loan, investment, foreign exchange, at safe deposit boxes. Banks are heavily regulated by the government to ensure consumer protection and system stability.
Sa mga non-bank financial institutions naman,
Pumapasok ang mga insurance companies, pension funds, and hedge funds. They offer services like lending, insurance, and investment. Ngayong alam na natin ang dalawang uri ng financial system sa Pilipinas, isa-isahin naman natin ang mga government bodies na responsable sa pag-monitor at pag-regulate ng mga banks
at NBFIs.
DOF o Department of Finance, BSP o Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, SEC
o Securities and Exchange Commission, IC o Insurance Commission,
at PDIC o Philippine Deposit Insurance Corporation. By having even just the basic but clear understanding of the financial system dito sa ating bansa, one will be able to maximize the ways of effectively managing personal and even investment money.
Insure to be sure.